Hello, welcome to Academiq AI. As a teacher, do you find it hard to write emails for families, especially when they speak different languages? Yes, so we have our classrooms full of, diverse students. Somebody's from South India, North India, right? And different people, different learners, different languages, right? And it can be stressful and time consuming when parents are not able to, understand the message neither in English nor in any other language. But do not worry. The email suite tool is here to make it super easy for you to create professional emails and translate them into any language that you want, right? To access this fantastic AI tool, you have to find the tool named Email Suite. Yes, once you find it, you have to click on it, and then you just have to give it some commands like author's name, means who is the person who is going to write the email. So because you are going to write the email, type your name here. Now, because I'm going to give an example, so I'll write my name here, which is Sakshi Tiwari. Okay. Now, what about the content to include in letter to a family? So I want to inform that their daughter, Jia Mehta, has been absent for 3 days, and prior to that, her performance in academics has been an area of concern for us. All right, that is it. Now, I want this to communicate to the parents of Jia Mehta about her absence and her performance in the school. And now I want this to be communicated in Hindi language. Okay, so I've written it here, Hindi. That is it. Now I'm going to click on generate, and within seconds, I will have my professional letter, my my letter in the language that I need ready to be sent. And here it is. See how beautiful it has written: right tone, right Hindi, and right message. Isn't it fantastic? Yes? So, thanks for watching. Try this email suite tool today at Academiq AI and make staying connected and communicating to families simpler than ever. Happy communicating.